stop scrolling and look at the math. If you search how to make money online right now, you will find millions of videos telling you to take surveys, watch ads, or play mobile games for pennies. Let's be brutally honest. That is not a business. That is digital slavery. If you are trading 1 hour of your life for $2, you are valuing your time less than the cost of a cup of coffee. To build real wealth with $0, you don't need tricks. You need leverage. You need to understand the difference between labor and assets. Today, I am breaking down the 4 specific business models that require zero capital to start, but have the mathematical potential to replace a full-time income. We are going to look at the profit margins, the execution strategy, and exactly how you can start today without spending a single dime. This is the blueprint for sweat equity. Before we get to the methods, we need to establish the rules of the game. In the economy, you pay with one of 2 currencies, money or time. If you have no money to invest, you must pay with time. But not all time is created equal. Most people spend their time on linear tasks. You work once, you get paid once. Wealthy people spend their time building assets. You build it once, and it pays you forever. The 4 methods we are discussing today are designed to move you from linear income to asset income. We are skipping the low-value tasks and jumping straight into high-leverage digital real estate. Method number 1 is service arbitrage, also known as drop servicing. This is the fastest way to cash flow because you don't even need to have the skill yourself. You are simply the architect of the deal. Here is how it works. You go to a business-focused platform like LinkedIn or cold email, and you find a client who needs a specific service. Let's say, short-form video editing for TikTok. You quote them a price of $1,000 a month for a package of videos. Once they agree, you go to a freelance marketplace like Upwork or Fiverr, and you find a talented editor who will do the work for $400. You manage the project, you deliver the files, and you keep the $600 difference. You are not being paid for the editing, you are being paid for the management and the sales. This is exactly how every major agency in the world works. They sell the contract for a high price and outsource the labor for a lower price. Your only investment is the time it takes to find the client. Method number 2 is the template economy. This is my personal favorite because it creates true passive income. In 2025, people are obsessed with productivity and organization, but they are too lazy to build systems themselves. They will happily pay $20, $30, or $50 for a pre-made solution. This is where you come in. You can use free tools like Notion or Canva to build digital products. For example, a student life planner in Notion, or a real estate Instagram bundle in Canva. Let's look at the ROI math. It might take you 10 hours to build the perfect planner. That is your upfront cost. But once you upload it to a marketplace like Gumroad or Etsy, your cost of goods sold is $0. If you sell it for $20 and you sell just 1 copy a day, that is an extra $600 a month. If you sell 10 a day, that is $6,000 a month. You built it once, but you get paid infinitely. That is the definition of an infinite return on investment. Method number 3 is high-ticket SaaS affiliate marketing. Notice I said SaaS, software as a service. Most people try affiliate marketing with Amazon products. They sell a $10 book and make 30 cents. You will starve doing that. The secret is to sell software that businesses need to operate. Think about tools like email marketing software, project management tools, or trading platforms. These companies run on a subscription model. When you refer a customer, they don't just pay you once. They pay you every single month for as long as that customer stays. If you refer a business to a software that costs $100 a month and the commission is 30%, You make $30 a month from one sale. Get 100 customers, and you are making $3,000 a month in recurring passive income. You don't own the software, you don't handle support, and you don't fix bugs. You just connect the buyer to the seller and collect the rent. Method number 4 is the biggest opportunity of the decade, the AI Automation Agency. Right now, millions of small businesses know they should be using AI, but they have no idea how. They are overwhelmed. They don't know how to prompt ChatGPT. They don't know how to generate images with Midjourney, and they don't know how to automate their emails. You can position yourself as the expert who solves this problem. You can offer services like AI blog writing, chatbot creation, or AI social media management. The best part? The tools do 90% of the work for you. You are essentially selling the output of a free or cheap AI tool for a premium price because you possess the knowledge of how to use it. You are bridging the gap between the technology and the business owner. In 2025, the person who knows how to wield AI will replace the person who doesn't. Here is the reality check. Watching this video is easy. Taking action is hard. Most people will click off this video and go back to scrolling, dreaming of a life they will never build. But you are still here. So here is your assignment. Pick one of these 4 models. Just one. Do not try to do all of them. Spend the next 30 days obsessively learning everything you can about that specific model. Use free YouTube tutorials, read free articles, and make your first offer. You do not need money to make money. You need focus, you need grit, and you need to start. If you want to see a deep dive on exactly how to set up the template economy model step by step, let me know in the comments and I will make a full tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Capital Graph for more data-driven strategies to build your wealth. I'll see you in the next video.